Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LINGO token. Now the LINGO token is about to start their pre-sale June 27th. This is a brand new token. Their webpage is MYLINGO.io. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it, and we're going to check for any audits, any security issues, any red flags that could lead to potential scam risks. We're going to go over all that, and we're going to do that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you go to mylingo.io, in the top right-hand corner of their page, it says pre-sale begins June 27th. So you can't get the token yet, still early. It says the world's most rewarding token, the first gamified real-world asset-powered rewards ecosystem. They have a pretty cool web page. You know, you scroll through it and all sorts of, animated stuff pops up and everything like that. It says $3 billion investors combined assets under management. Rewards powered by real-world assets. So Lingo is the first token that leverages real-world assets, gamification, and crypto culture to fuel and disrupt community rewards. It says asset tokenization to reach $16 trillion by 2030 from the Boston Consulting Group, BCG. So I've never heard of them, but maybe you have before. It says there's all these different companies here building the largest Web3 rewards ecosystem. It says Nike, Spotify, Starbucks, Uber, IKEA, Netflix, a whole bunch of different companies, PlayStation. It says, let Lingo surprise you with rewards at 3,000 plus brands across 80 countries, thanks to our network of 100,000 plus hotels and gift card partners with the Phison app. So I have not heard of the Phison app either, but maybe you have. Engineered for exponential growth. Every Lingo platform fees contribute to the real-world asset pool that powers Lingo's rewards ecosystem. The model is designed for exponential growth, organic community, more RWAs, real-world assets, higher rewards, repeats. So it goes in a circle of trading volume, community momentum, rewards ecosystem, and RWAs. Now, it's designed for the next billion consumer crypto, the ultimate frontier. Our ecosystem is designed for everyday users, built by tech veterans, and backed by major voices to reach mainstream audiences. It says, get Lingo, earn points, claim rewards. And it shows all these different tweets of people talking about Lingo. It says, meet our team. The architects behind Lingo founded the world's leading premium loyalty company, acquired for $150 million. Our team is built of former executives from companies like Binance, Google, Microsoft. Got a whole bunch of different companies listed on there. And then it has some pictures of investors. So it says, meet our investors, VCs, Web3 frontiers, creators, and celebrities supporting us in building the world's most rewarding token. So, I mean, at first glance here, they said meet our team, and then they just showed companies' names, so they didn't really dox the team at all. I don't see a KYC yet, and they didn't dox the team whatsoever, not even names or anything. but it looks like their investors are doxxed for some reason and not the team. It says supported by Google Cloud startups, GBV, Maven Capital, and then it's got 4 people's faces and full names and stuff like that. So like there's some of these people are doxxed. It also says Altcoin Daily. I've definitely heard of them before. So I mean, there's some people on here you may recognize that are investors. It says building with Base, Solana, Avark, Binance Pay, Google Cloud, Phison, etc. And then it says here, join the movement, and then you can follow them on X. And I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. And it says join the Discord. And then their last page has the privacy policy, a big disclaimer. Always read the disclaimer. It says apply for angel round, community, or jobs. You can click on that. That's at the very bottom of mylingo.io. And it says join the pre-sale, and there's airdrop farming. So that is basically their whole web page. So the only other thing besides joining the Discord is checking out this Twitter that has 364 posts. Right at the top of the banner, it has the time 11 a.m. Eastern time, and June 27th. Over 500,000 Twitter followers, and they have a full link tree there. So maybe there's some more stuff on this link tree here that I could check out, because their webpage did not have, all the info I would expect. So their link tree basically just has a Discord, webpage, just the links are already named, Twitter and Telegram. So there's no audit on the link tree either, no KYC. I mean, it says it's going to be on Base and Solana, as you can see right there on the Twitter. And yeah, pinned tweet doesn't have anything like that either. So as far as I could tell, there is no audit, no KYC, nothing like that, any sort of security that you could find here. So it says 12 hours ago, they tweeted out just 7 hours left to secure priority access to the public pre-sale. So there was like a whitelist to get priority access. That doesn't mean you can't get involved with the pre-sale. I think that just guarantees a spot in the pre-sale if you did that. But yeah, you could scroll through the 364 tweets and try to find an audit. But I would assume if they had a full audit, they had a KYC, even a quick audit, they should put it in their link tree or something, right? Like advertise it a little bit more. They got partnerships on here with Manta Network. They got big partnerships, big investors. Just there's nothing that you could really check for security. So just totally be aware of that. And yeah, let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? It's like it's impossible to say if this is a scam or not, because there's nothing to go by. So just assume that there's all the risks when in investing in any pre-sale that has no audit. But yeah, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.